नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे चैनल बी ब्लैक में आप सभी स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जाएंगे उत्तर प्रदेश लोक सेवा आयोग पॉलिटेक्निक लेक्चरर परीक्षा रसायन में 2021 व्याख्या है। द पॉइंट ग्रुप सिमेट्री ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल ट्रांस MnO4 X2A C4B BC4H CD4 D4H. The ratio of distance between successive 110 and 111 lattice planes in cubic unit cell is 1 by 2 root 2 ratio 1 by root 3 1 ratio root 3 by 2 ratio 1 by root 2 1 ratio root 2 by root 3 तो 1 ratio 1 by root 2 ratio 1 by root 3. What is the general electronic configuration of lanthanides? Lanthanide N-2 F1 14 N-1 D1 1 NS2 N-2 F1 14 N-1 D0 1 NS2 Cn-2 F1 14 N-1 D1 to 12 NS2 Dn-2 F1 14 N-1 D power 0 NS2 B N-2 F1 14 N-1 N01. The neutral ligand is oxalato B chloro C hydroxydiamine. Which of the following statement is correct for BATISI 309? It belongs to cyclic silicate. It has 4 tetrahedral SiO4 unit C. Both A and B are correct. With reference to the lanthanide, which of the following statement is correct? Lanthanide only second. Lanthanide most stable oxidation state of lanthanide equal to lanthanide metals in the oxidation state +4 are strong oxidation second. With reference to the magnitude of observation, which of the following statement is correct? यह अधिशोध डिपेंड सरफेस एरिया पर डॉट पे अधिशोधक के पृष्ठ क्षेत्रफल पर निर्भर करता है। यह अधिशोधक की पृथ्वी प्रकृति पर डिपेंड ऑन नेचर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेंट ए ओनली। Water behaves as an acid in both reaction A and B. An acid in reaction A and B. Base in B. A base in reaction A and an acid in reaction B. A base in both A and B. A base in reaction A and acid in reaction B. 3 bands in the electronic spectrum of Cr and S3 all 6 3 plus are due to the following transition: A4 T1G 4 A2G 4 T2G 4 A2G 4 T1G 4 T2G. Intensity lowest intensity of A and C are maximum, which A and B are lowest. Intensity of H A is highest while B and C are similar. D. Given below the twisted known is represented as acceleration and other as region. Acceleration in actual electronic O2 minus or minus Na plus E2 plus and Al3 plus I in radius decrease from O2 to Al3 plus region. The effective nuclear charge of anion is smaller than that of cation. Both A and R are correct, are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Entropy change for 1 mole of water at 100 degrees Celsius having the heat of evaporation is 540 calorie per gram will be A 128, B 29.0, C 26.6, D 30.2, C 26.6. The enthalpies of carbon and carbon monoxide are 90 minus 393.3 and minus 283 mole kilojoule mole inverse respectively. The enthalpy of formation of carbon monoxide is A 110.5 kJ mole inverse 676.5 kJ mole inverse, C 676.5 kJ mole inverse and 610.5 kJ mole inverse kJ mole inverse. Radioactivity of I-129 I in KC4 give 129 XCl4 beta negative 129 XCl negative 3L3 beta negative 129 XCl4 plus beta negative A. The simplest molecule with low potential barrier to inversion is HCl, OCS, SCN, and NH3. And aqueous solution of MnH2O6 complex is placed in pink in color. It is probably region for its presence of A1 6 A1G ground disallowed transition by pink selection with presence of 2T Due ground single-child transfer present A and B are both. According to Maxwell, which one of the following reasoning correct match on the list following match first and second? A. Which of the following statement is correct? HCl, H2SO4, another HCl or are stronger but in acetic acid the order of their acidity is HCl4, H2SO4, yes, H2SO4, HCl, and water is known as leavening water, while acetic is called differentiating water. Only two are correct. The heat of neutralization is maximum in which reaction? NH4OH, NaOH and CH3COH, HCl and NH4OH, NaOH, CHCl, NaOH, which reference to Richard Levinson, which of the following statement is are correct? When any chemical equilibrium subject to any type of stress, the equilibrium shift in such a way that to reduce the स्ट्रेस ही सही होगा। जब किसी रासायनिक साम्य पर किसी भी प्रकार का तनाव देता है तो साम्य अवस्था इस बात बन जाता है, तनाव कम हो जाता है। फॉलोइंग आर टेस्टिमोनी कार्ड एज असर्शन एंड अदर आर कार्ड रीजन। सी इज टू आर इज फाल्ट। ज़्यादा फॉलोइंग इन नॉन करेक्टली मैच लिस्ट पर सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो। Given are testimony as and other hemoglobin both and are not find trap PCL 53 D3H C3H plus C3B D3D given below the twisted one is collaborated. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिए। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।